Friends, welcome to our new fresh episode. In this video we talk about Samsung Galaxy A03. Full stop. It is a entry-level smartphone. Along with telling the details, I am also sharing some pictures with you so that you will get complete information about this product easily. Please watch full video. So let's start that. Samsung Galaxy A03 comes with a 6.5-inch TFT display with an HD Plus resolution. It is powered by Unisoc G606 octa-core processor with a maximum clock speed of 1.6 GHz. Processor chip is supported by up to 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, which can be expanded thanks to the presence of a microSD card slot. For photography, there's a dual camera setup at the rear comprised of a 48MP primary sensor and a 2MP depth sensor. Selfies will be handled by the 5MP front camera that comes with image enhancing features like beauty mode, smart selfie angle, and live focus. Battery is sized 5000 mAh, and since there's no mention of the charging speed, it is most likely 10W only, as is the case with most entry-level Samsung devices. On the software front, you get One UI 3.1 core out of the box, which is based on Android 11. There's support for Dolby Atmos too, although it's limited to headsets alone. Samsung Galaxy A03 comes in 3 color options, namely black, blue and red. The base variant of the device with a 3GB plus 32GB priced at Rs 10,499. And 4GB plus 64GB variant priced at Rs 11,999. So friends, how did you like this video? Do let us know by commenting in the comment box, and if you have come to our channel for the first time, then please subscribe our channel.